अब हम लोग बात करेंगे क्या क्या बदलाव आया है फैमिली सिस्टम में। चेंजेस इन द फैमिली सिस्टम। चेंजेस इन द फैमिली। The family has shifted from being a unit of production to a unit of consumption, with fewer members earning a living outside the home. A unit of production to a unit of consumption का मतलब क्या हुआ? कमाने वाले कम हैं लेकिन खाने वाले लोग घर में ज़्यादा होते हैं, तो इसका मतलब ये हुआ। अब बात करते क्या बदलाव आया। फैक्ट्री एम्प्लॉयमेंट बन गया। इट हैज़ गिवन यंग एडल्ट्स functional independence, weakening the authority of the head of the household. आज का जो एडल्ट है अपनी मर्जी से कमाते हैं और खाते हैं। अब बात करता हूँ इन्फ्लुएंस ऑफ अर्बनाइजेशन। अर्बन लिविंग हैज़ फेवर्ड स्मॉल न्यूक्लियर फैमिलीज ओवर बिग जॉइंट फैमिलीज, वेकनिंग द जॉइंट फैमिली पैटर्न। न्यूक्लियर फैमिलीज अर्बन की ओर ज़्यादा मूव करते हैं। इन मैनी सिटीज़ इवन वीमेन टू ज्वाइन मेन इन वर्किंग आउटसाइड द फैमिलीज ऑन ए सैलरी बेसिस। लेजिस्लेटिव मेजर्स में क्या बदलाव आया है। प्रोहिबिशन ऑफ अर्ली मैरिज एंड फिक्सिंग द मिनिमम एज ऑफ मैरिज बाय द चाइल्ड मैरिज रिस्ट्रेंट एक्ट 1929 एंड द हिंदू मैरिज एक्ट 1955 have lengthened the period of education. Even other legislations such as the Widow Remarriage Act 1856, Hindu Marriage Act 1955, Hindu Succession Act 1956 all have modified interpersonal relations within the family, the composition of the family and the stability of the joint family. मैरिज सिस्टम में बदलाव आया तो फैमिली सिस्टम में भी बदलाव आ जाएगा। मैरिज सिस्टम में क्या बदलाव आया। चेंजेस इन द एज ऑफ मैरिज, फ्रीडम इन मेट सिलेक्शन एंड द एटीट्यूड टुवर्ड मैरिज हैज़ डिमिनिश्ड, द रिलीजियस सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ मैरिज। इन्फ्लुएंस ऑफ वेस्टर्न वैल्यूज़। वेस्टर्न वैल्यूज़ लाइक इंडिविजुअलिज्म, इक्वालिटी एंड फ्रीडम हैव exerted a tremendous change on the joint family system in India. Changes in the position of women. The changing economic role of women has caused changes in their position in society, especially with respect to men. जैसे किरण मजुमदार शॉ, the founder and chairperson of Biocon, was ranked 76th on Forbes 2023 list of the world's most powerful women. The rise of nuclear families is consistent with rapid urbanization. ऐसे कौन कौन से रीजन हैं जिसके वजह से फैमिली स्ट्रक्चर में बदलाव आया है। Reasons behind the shift in family structure. There are several reasons that have contributed to the shift from joint families to nuclear families in India. First, urbanization. As more and more people move to cities looking for better jobs, they are leaving their rural homes behind. This is causing joint families to break apart because family members are living in different places. इसके वजह से क्या हुआ, जॉइंट फैमिली कमज़ोर पड़ गया। नेक्स्ट, modernization. Western culture and the media have made people change their values and lifestyles. They now care more about being independent and doing things for themselves. Because of this, many prefer a smaller families, means nuclear families, where they can focus on their own goals and desires. Economic factors. Living in cities has become much more expensive, and this makes it hard for large families to make ends meet. A smaller families, means nuclear families, find it easier to handle their money and have more options when it comes to jobs and education. Women's empowerment. Women are increasingly seeking education and employment opportunities and prefer to live independently with their nuclear families rather than in a joint family setting where they may have limited autonomy and decision making power. Generation gap. As the age difference between older and younger family members grows, their different ways of living, beliefs, and dreams can cause arguments and confusion. In smaller families, individuals have more freedom to go after their own goals without being interrupted by older family members. करंट स्टेटस की बात करूँ तो इन द 2011 सेंसस द नंबर ग्रू टू 52.1%। नंबर में बात करूँ तो 12.97 करोड़ न्यूक्लियर हाउस होल्ड्स आउट ऑफ 24.88 करोड़ हाउस होल्ड्स। इंडियन सोसाइटी के नेक्स्ट फीचर को समझते हैं, कास्ट सिस्टम इन इंडिया। कास्ट सिस्टम एक साइकोलॉजिकल प्रॉब्लम बन चुका है। इंडिया में कास्ट के बेसिस पर कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स होते रहते हैं। द वर्ड कास्ट हैज़ ए पोर्चुगीज origin that comes from the word caste, which means race. Caste is a hereditary and endogamous group with a common name, traditional occupation, culture, and relatively rigid mobility, forming a single homogeneous community. Its roots are ancient India, but the system was transformed by various ruling elites in medieval, early modern, and modern India, such as the Mughal Empire and the British Raj. Concept of caste की बात करें तो it is defined as a system of social stratification which consists of hierarchically arranged closed endogamous strata where membership is ascriptive, contact is restricted, and mobility is theoretically impossible. हम सभी जानते हैं कास्ट में मोबिलिटी इम्पॉसिबल है। जैसे डॉक्टर अंबेडकर जी लोअर कास्ट के थे, लेकिन उनका पर्सनालिटी और स्टेटस फर्स्ट क्लास का था। इनके बावजूद भी लोग उसे लोअर कास्ट के मानते थे। सोशल स्ट्रैटिफिकेशन। when there is different access to resources based on their hierarchical arrangement, it is known as social stratification. Models of caste system. वर्ना वर्सेस कास्ट। वर्ण और जाति में क्या अंतर है? वर्नास आर 4 in number, whereas jatis are innumerable. According to the Chaturvarna doctrine, there existed 4 varnas during the Vedic and the post-Vedic period, namely which are mentioned as Brahmins, Kshatriyas, Vaisyas, and Sudras. The caste system is based on birth, while the Varna system is based on occupation. Varna system was more or less an open system, whereas the caste system is regarded as a closed system. Varna system has the sanction of the religion, that is Hinduism, whereas the caste system does not have the sanction. Vivekananda says, in religion, there is no caste. The caste system is opposed to the religion of the Vedanta. History of the caste system. History of caste की बात करें तो एंशियंट एज, colonial times, post colonial times. During ancient age, इसमें क्या हुआ? The caste system in India has its roots in ancient times. The Rig Veda, which is one of the oldest Hindu scriptures, mentions the 4 main varnas or castes: Brahmins, Kshatriyas, Vaisyas, and Sudras. Each caste had a specific occupation, and intercaste marriage was not allowed. The Brahmins were at the top of the social hierarchy, followed by the Kshatriyas, Vaisyas, and Sudras. The caste system was based on the idea of dharma, karma, and reincarnation. What happened during colonial times? The colonial period in India began in the 16th century when the Portuguese arrived in India. The British colonizers further institutionalized the caste system in India. The British introduced the census in 1871, which classified people based on their caste. The British also created laws that reinforced the caste system, such as the Criminal Tribes Act, which labeled certain communities as criminal tribes based on their caste. इससे पता चलता है कास्ट सिस्टम ब्रिटिश राज में किस तरह रिजिड हो चुका था। आज़ादी के बाद कास्ट सिस्टम में क्या बदलाव आया? ड्यूरिंग पोस्ट कॉलोनियल टाइम्स आफ्टर इंडिपेंडेंस। तो फर्स्ट, आफ्टर इंडिया गेन्ड इंडिपेंडेंस इन 1947, द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन abolished caste based discrimination and introduced affirmative action policies to uplift disadvantaged castes, जैसे शेड्यूल्ड कास्ट एंड शेड्यूल्ड ट्राइब प्रिवेंशन ऑफ एट्रोसिटीज एक्ट 1989. The Indian government implemented reservation policies that reserved seats in education, jobs, and politics for lower caste communities. However, the caste system continues to be a major social issue in modern day India, with instances of caste-based discrimination, violence, and inequality still prevalent in some parts of the country. Features of caste system को समझते हैं. फर्स्ट, हेरिडिटरी का मतलब caste is a hereditary system, meaning that a person social status is determined by the caste they are born into. There is little or no social mobility between castes. Next, endogamous. Caste is also an endogamous system, meaning that people are expected to marry within their own caste. Endogamous का क्या मतलब हुआ? अपने कास्ट में ही शादी करना. Intercaste marriages are often frowned upon and can result in social ostracism. इंटरकास्ट मैरिजेस का क्या मतलब हुआ? अपने कास्ट से बाहर किसी दूसरे कास्ट से शादी करना. महाराष्ट्र गवर्नमेंट ने इंटरकास्ट मैरिज को बढ़ावा देने के लिए बहुत ही अच्छा स्टेप लिया हुआ है, जैसे कि फाइनेंशियल असिस्टेंट प्रोवाइड करते हैं. ऑक्यूपेशनल डिवीजन में क्या होता है? ईच कास्ट इज एसोसिएटेड विद अ स्पेसिफिक ऑक्यूपेशन एंड इंडिविजुअल्स आर एक्सपेक्टेड टू फॉलो in the footsteps of their ancestors. This has resulted in occupational segregation, with certain castes being associated with a specific professions. जैसे priest, पुजारी का बच्चा ही पुजारी बनेगा. कास्ट सिस्टम का नेक्स्ट फीचर, rigid hierarchy. The caste system is characterized by a rigid hierarchy, with Brahmins means priests at the top and Sudras means laborers at the bottom. Each caste has its own status and privileges, and there is little or no social interaction between different castes. Social discrimination. Members of lower castes often face social and economic exclusion and are denied access to education, healthcare, and other basic services. Ritual purity. This has resulted in various forms of social segregation, with members of higher castes refusing to eat, drink, or socialize with members of lower castes. Commensality means खाने पीने का नियम, किसके साथ खाना पीना चाहिए और नहीं, जैसे अपर कास्ट के लोग लोअर कास्ट के लोगों के साथ खाना पीना उठना बैठना बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं करते हैं. Civil and religious limitations. These limitations were enforced to maintain the purity of specific caste groups. For example, individuals belonging to lower caste groups were not allowed to access wells and they were prohibited from entering temples. Manual scavenging. Manual scavenging, which involves the removal of untreated human excreta from bucket toilets or pit latrines, became a caste-based profession. The Prohibition of Employment as Manual Scavengers and their Rehabilitation Act 2013 has officially abolished it. Example, according to Bejwada Wilson's report, 472 deaths happened between 2016 to 2020 due to manual scavenging. Caste-based violence in India. The rise in caste-based violence is linked to incident of intercaste marriage and the Dalit community's assertion of fundamental rights such as land rights, freedom of expression, access to justice, and access to education. Caste-based reservation policy. The caste-based reservation system in India is a collection of affirmative action measures that reserve access to seats in various legislative bodies, government jobs, and enrollment in higher education institutions. For instance, scheduled caste groups are given 15% reservation in government services and educational institutions. Maharashtra currently has a reservation of 52%, including various categories such as SC, ST, OBC, Vimukt Jati, nomadic tribes, and others. With the addition of 10% reservation for the Marathas, the total reservation in the state will now reach 62%. In the Indira Sawhney judgment 1992, Supreme Court had categorically said 50% shall be the rule. Only in certain exceptional and extraordinary situations for bringing far-flung and remote areas populations into mainstream, said 50% rule can be relaxed. Subsequently, the Supreme Court struck down the quota entirely in May 2021, citing insufficient empirical data to justify exceeding the 50% quota ceiling. The Supreme Court in May 2021 held that the 102nd Amendment Act of 2018 removed the power of states to identify socially and educationally backward classes under their territory for grant of quota in jobs and admissions. 103rd Amendment Act 2019 introduces 10% reservation for economically weaker sections (EWS) of society for admission to central government run educational institutions and private educational. इंडियन सोसाइटी के कास्ट सिस्टम में क्या बदलाव आया है, इन्हें समझते हैं. The traditional nature of the caste system has undergone significant changes in modern day society. Many features of the caste system have been diluted to some extent due to new developments like trends for intercaste marriage. Due to economic and social necessities, intercaste marriages on Western lines are being performed at increased rates. डॉक्टर अंबेडकर जी ने अपने पुस्तक अनाइलेशन ऑफ कास्ट में कहा, रियल रेमेडी इज़ इंटरमैरेज. रिसेंटली सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने भी यही देखा जो इंटरकास्ट मैरिज है ना, सोसाइटी के टेंशन को रिड्यूस कर सकते हैं। जैसे कि एक सबरीमाला जजमेंट का वर्डिक्ट है, द सोशल वैल्यूज़ एंड मॉरल्स हैव देयर स्पेस बट दे आर नॉट अबव द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनली guaranteed freedom. Individual freedom prevails over purported group rights. The right of an individual to choose a life partner is an absolute right. Most state governments are giving cash incentives to promote intercaste marriages. न्यू फूड हैबिट्स में भी बदलाव आया है ड्यू टू द फ्रीक्वेंट मिक्सिंग ऑफ द पीपल एट मीटिंग्स, कॉन्फ्रेंसेस, seminars, etc. Food habits have changed. Moreover, people have adapted to new ones. जैसे रेस्टोरेंट, होटल में सभी लोग एक साथ बैठते खाते पीते हैं, कोई भी किसी से कास्ट नहीं पूछता है। द चैलेंज टू ऑर्थोडॉक्सी, जैसे कि द हिंदू विडोज़ रीमैरिज एक्ट 1856 आया, जिसने क्या किया, लीगलाइज्ड कर दिया रीमैरिज ऑफ विडोज़ को। इट वॉज ड्राफ्टेड बाय Lord Dalhousie and passed by Lord Canning before the Indian Revolt of 1857. The abolition of Sati Pratha in 1829 by Lord William Bentinck and the prohibition of Child Marriage Act of 2006. Improvement in the position of lower caste, जैसे कि लैंड रिफॉर्म्स आया और एससी को 15% रिजर्वेशन दिया गया है गवर्नमेंट सर्विस में और एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशन में। चेंजेस इन ऑक्यूपेशन, लिविंग बिहाइंड देयर ट्रेडिशनल रोल्स, ब्राह्मण्स हैव बिकम ट्रेडर्स वेयर एज वैश्याज हैव ज्वाइंड टीचिंग, द प्रोहिबिशन ऑफ एम्प्लॉयमेंट एज मैनुअल स्कैवेंजर्स एंड देयर रिहैबिलिटेशन एक्ट 2030 has officially abolished manual scavenging and so on. Constitutional rights and affirmative action like Articles 14, 15 and 16 and reservation policies empowered lower castes educationally and economically. Political mobilization based on caste has been increasing. For example, Lingyats demand to be considered as a minority community. The demand of dominant castes for reservation. Recently, there has been growing demand for reservations from various middle caste groups like Marathas, Jats, Patels, Kapus, etc. इसके पीछे रीजन क्या है? Reasons are agrarian distress. All these castes are agrarian based communities and are directly or indirectly affected by agrarian distress. Unemployment crisis. The slowdown of economic growth has not been able to absorb the increasing labor force entering the job market. Thus, their only option is government jobs, but their general category status makes the competition challenging for them. Vote bank politics. Political mobilization of caste groups on the lines of reservation serves the vested interests of few political parties or leaders. Resentment against other backward communities. Due to successful affirmative action and other policies, the socio-economic gap between lower castes and intermediary castes decreased to some extent, and this resulted in resentment among dominant castes. इसका कंसिक्वेंस क्या होगा? इन जातियों को आरक्षण देने से अन्य जातियों पर भी इसका व्यापक प्रभाव पड़ेगा और परिणाम स्वरूप अधिक संख्या में जातियों की ओर से आरक्षण की मांग बढ़ेगी और जातिगत पहचान को बल मिलता है। Extending reservations to these intermediary castes will not solve the root cause of the issue, the agrarian crisis and unemployment. Reservations are not employment benefit schemes, but a tool to enable social and economic mobility of traditionally oppressed castes. कास्ट की वजह से बहुत सारे वायलेंस हमें देखने को मिलता है। कास्ट बेस्ड वायलेंस इन इंडिया, 9 states accounted for 84% of all crimes against Dalits in India in 2019, according to data just released by the National Crime Records Bureau. New components of a status like education, income, and occupation led to the breaking of barriers of subcaste for the purpose of marriage. But marriage between the upper caste and the lower caste is still an exception. If someone dares to break the rule of caste endogamy, he or she may face honor killings, especially in case the male belongs to the lower caste and the girl belongs to the upper caste. Even the Constitution provisions for reservation of seats and jobs for the people belonging to scheduled castes and scheduled tribes have failed to produce the desired integrative effect.